The purpose of the EMS ride-along is to have a better understanding of what the needs of the various fire departments and EMS services are that utilize our facility, and to understand what we can do to be a better service provider for them. I went to Marshfield, so I spent about four hours with the Marshfield Fire Department. Had an opportunity to meet with the chief and the deputy chief. Well, the first thing I thought was the level of professionalism that I witnessed in the fire department was really awe-inspiring. They are highly trained professionals that focus on their work in a way that I was not ready for. The equipment is extremely advanced, and their interaction with the patients and our emergency room is also more advanced than I had expected it to be. My general reaction was, wow, as a person living in the community, the service or the clinical care that you're going to receive when these folks show up at your doorstep is really extraordinary.
Halifax was a terrific experience. I really enjoyed myself and really gained so much knowledge and appreciation for the work that the EMS providers in Halifax do. They were very welcoming and were very happy to show me around the station, to show me a tour of the truck. I got to actually go inside the truck, and we did travel around the community so I could see not only the community but you know, sort of the size and scope of the machine that they're driving when they're going to assist people.
You know, we often see from the hospital side how operations work, but we don't really see the challenges from the other side. So we wanted to come out and just experience it and see what we could learn and see what we can help fix and build some bridges with friends at EMS.
Partnering with and understanding what they're up against and some of the challenges, and anything that we can do at the hospital to make things easier and have the best patient outcomes possible.
I mean, the relationship is very good right now. Today I'm riding with Brewster Ambulance Company, who does the 911 calls for the town of Plymouth. But there's always scope for improvement to make them, they feel very welcome coming to the hospital, but also to help efficiency so that they can get their patients in and then get back on the streets to help other patients.
I think it's important for us to work wherever we can to develop relationships with people in the community that are related to the hospital, and to help them understand how important they are to us. I think having the senior leadership team go out to local EMS operations really communicated how we value those partnerships and how much we want to have an open dialogue so that if concerns arise, there's a ready way to address them.
And I think the patient experience, you know, for people that are brought in by ambulance to our facility does start in their home with the EMS crew, that, you know, and I think that relationship is directly affected and can transcend well with the EMS providers that are on scene.
There were probably 7 firefighters, paramedics, who were sharing with me their experiences when they come to Beth Israel Deaconess and ways that we might improve. Generally, they believe that we have a great partnership. They respect our clinicians in the ED. They noted that we absolutely need a new ED, that it's too small, which we recognize as well. So we talked a lot about maybe future plans and that we're in a planning stage. They talked about the services that they provide in the community and how they receive education from, you know, they come to grand rounds here, or the EMS rounds, and it's a great way to network with the paramedics from different companies and towns, and with our own staff here and our physician staff.